Welcome to Hunza Valley, a hidden paradise in the northern areas of Pakistan, where nature, culture, and history come together. Surrounded by the mighty Karakoram, Hunza is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, snow-capped peaks, and crystal-clear rivers. From the mighty Rakaposhi to Altarsar, the mountains here attract adventurers and travelers from around the world. Welcome to Attabad Lake, one of Pakistan's most breathtaking natural wonders. This lake was formed in 2010 after a massive landslide in Hunza. What was once a tragedy turned into a stunning attraction. Today, Attabad Lake is famous for its crystal-clear turquoise water, boating, jet ski, and fishing. Surrounded by the Karakoram Mountains, this lake is a must-visit for travelers exploring Hunza Valley. Attabad Lake is not just water; it's a story of resilience, beauty, and nature's power. This is the Hussaini Suspension Bridge, known as one of the most dangerous bridges in the world, located in Hunza Valley, Pakistan. This bridge is made of ropes and wooden planks, hanging over the Hunza River. Crossing it is not easy. The gaps between the planks, strong winds, and rushing water below make it an unforgettable adventure. But for the locals, it's part of their daily life. For tourists, it's a thrilling test of courage. The Hussaini Bridge is more than just a crossing. It's a symbol of resilience, adventure, and the beauty of Hunza Valley. Hussaini Suspension Bridge ready to cross. Hussaini Suspension Bridge ready to cross. Majestic peaks, breathtaking views, a paradise for travelers. These sharp, majestic peaks rise like natural towers, creating one of the most dramatic landscapes in the world. Nearby, you'll find the mighty Basu Glacier and the famous Karakoram Highway, offering travelers breathtaking views at every turn. Basu is not just about mountains. It's about the people, the culture, and the sense of peace that surrounds this beautiful valley. Basu is more than a destination, it's a place where nature leaves you speechless and memories last forever. Basu Valley, where mountains touch the sky. heart of Hansa's identity, a place where tradition, history, and community meet. Vaulted Fort is not just stone and wood. It is history alive, heritage preserved, and a timeless jewel of Karimabad. Vaulted Fort, the living history of Hansa. This is Ganesh, the oldest village of Hansa, known as the heritage jewel of the valley. For more than 1,000 years, Ganesh has been a center of culture, trade, and spirituality. Its centuries-old mosques and traditional watchtowers stand as living history. Walking through the village feels like stepping back in time. Every stone and wooden carving tells a story of Hansa's ancestors. Today, Ganesh is a UNESCO awarded heritage site, preserved to showcase the unique traditions and lifestyle of Hansa Valley. Ganesh is not just a village, it's the soul of Hansa, where history, culture, and community come together. Ganesh, the heritage heart of Hansa. This is Albert Fort, the oldest fort in Hansa Valley, standing proudly for over 900 years. Built as a palace and stronghold for the rulers of Hansa, the fort reflects Tibetan, Balti, and Kashmiri influences in its architecture. Its strategic location on a cliff overlooking the Hansa River made it a perfect place to defend the valley. Inside, Albert Fort has been carefully restored. Each room tells stories of royal life, bravery, and the heritage of Hansa's people. From here, you see stunning views of Ragapusha, Buldarsar, and the green terraces of Karimabad, making the fort as scenic as it is historic. Albert Fort today is more than history. It is a cultural hub where traditions are preserved and visitors experience the true spirit of Hansa. Altet Fort is not just stone and wood, it is the timeless guardian of Hansa's history and culture. Altet Fort, the ancient guardian of Hansa.